Make sure you stay until the end, guys. We'll share common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in damages. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Escape, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the fuse for the ignition switch is located, which fuse you need to check, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, and why it's important to always test fuses and relays, all that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. If you have that generation Ford Escape from year 2013 to 2019, this specifically is pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. There will be some minor differences, we'll talk about that, but we'll make a video about every single possible fuse, relay, why we do that. Let's say guys, you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where the fuse for fuel pump or engine starter is located, or relay for radiator fan. You can just search that on our channel, watch the video for less than 1 or 2 minutes, find out where it is, replace it in your back on the road. We do that to save you money guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And we guys have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels as well that can save you more than thousands of dollars in future repairs. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, we will share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So the ignition switch fuses guys, where you can expect to find them. We will demonstrate on this generation Ford Escape here. This is the pre-facelifted model, this is the facelifted model here. You have 3 different fuse boxes in that SUV, and today guys, for the ignition switch we will work in just one, and that fuse box is on the inside. Open the driver door, the passenger door, right here, excuse me, passenger door. Once you do that, look under the dash. On the bottom of the glove box under the dash you will find one black carpet liner, soft carpet liner, attaches with 2 black turning knobs. Unscrew them, remove it. Behind it you will find the interior fuse box. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's important to always guys test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here now guys, okay, what we will need to check for the ignition switch, okay, we'll need to check 2 different fuses. Now you guys have a fuse number next to the fuse in the top right corner that indicates which fuse that is. And the first fuse that we need to check for the ignition switch is known as fuse number 78. It's that 5M fuse right here. Now there is one more fuse that you need to check, and then make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain something very important too. Another fuse that you need to check is fuse number 85 here. If you have problems with the ignition switch, we have a video that explains why Ford Escape does not start, and also we have a video about the immobilizer, which is part of the ignition switch. Check it out, it will be on our channel. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.